Good morning, Trek team. Where do you think we went to today? Well, we went to the Keenan Center. Right now what we're looking at is the house, and this is the entrance to the Keenan House Gallery, where they have beautiful portraits and pictures of different landscaping and different subjects. This was William Rand Keenan Jr.'s home. He was a philanthropist. A philanthropist is someone who gives their money away for worthy causes. He owned the Western Block Company, which was the largest maker of block and tackle in the whole country. But he gave a lot of his money away. In fact, he lived right in this house from 1912 to 1965 in this beautiful mansion. And during his lifetime, he gave more than $3 million away to schools, churches, hospitals. When he died in 1965, he deeded this to the First Presbyterian Church. Remember where we saw the Tiffany windows? And he wanted them to make this into a community center. Well, boy, did they. A few years later, they made it non-denominational. They have a whole board that sets up things. I've spent many hours right in the back of the estate at the Keenan Arena for soccer. They used to have ice skating, but that was pulled out in, I believe it was 1986. And in fact, at the 10th anniversary of the Keenan Center, the Keenan, all this beautiful area here with the grounds and with the arena in the back. In 1976, for their 10th anniversary, they had someone come and speak here that you may know as a different person, Bruce Jenner. But at that time, he had just won his gold medal, and it was pretty exciting to have him come and speak here. So why am I at a billionaire house today? I want to talk to you about scientific notation. Scientific notation is the way we write really large numbers and really small numbers in a note form, shortened form. And so if I had something like this, 360, and I did not want to write that whole number. Most scientists are dealing with big numbers or small numbers. They don't want to write all those zeros. They will write it in scientific notation. Scientific notation is two parts with a multiplication in the middle. It's going to be a 10 here to some power, and then this number must be 1, either it has to be 1 but less than 10. You can't have two digits here. So I'm going to move this decimal way over to here and put 3.6. I'm using the digits, not the number. So 3.6 is less than 10, correct? But more than 1. Now I count how many places I moved it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and put that up there. Very easy. Let's try another one. What if I had 70800, a smaller one? So I am still going to have two parts to it. I have to have my multiplication and my 10, get a number here, bring it all the way here. It should be a number and a decimal, then you'll know that it's less than 10. 7.9. I have to take all the digits, not the zeros at the end, but the digits. How many places did I move it? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your power. One last thing, 7th and 8th graders, you have to know how to write really small numbers. That means decimal numbers. So let's try this. We're going to go the other way. And we're going to move this here so it's still a number and a decimal. We still have our 10, and our power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it's a decimal, so it's a -6. One more like that. Very easy. 0.000703. So I'm going to bring this here. 7.03 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. It's all there is to scientific notation. 8th graders, you're going to be learning how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Scientific notation. Become a real scientist. How scientists use this. But that's another video. So come on down to the Keenan Center. Go to the arts shows. Come and take a class here. They even offer classes here. And enjoy what Lockport has, this wonderful center. See you next time.